Today we are creating this beautiful Diwali halo eye look. It is not complicated at all, but it will give you a very smoky effect and it will make your eyes pop. So if you're ready for another Diwali tutorial, let's get into today's video. To make our eyeshadows pop, we're going in with an eyeshadow primer. With the Natasha Denona palette and with the shade Nurture on the Colourpop E16 brush, let's apply that into our crease first. This color should be somewhat close to your skin tone. And now with the blending brush, buff that into the skin. Now with the shade Aspiration and the Sigma Precision Firm Blender brush, let's apply that just on the outer V for now. Be very precise with this, we don't want this color going everywhere. And with any blending brush, blend that out into the previous shade. Do the same thing at the inner corner as well. Blend that all out. With the shade Instinct, let's go and apply that next to the previous shade. Do that on the inner corner as well. And now blend them out together. With the black eyeshadow, let's go in and deepen out the outer corner. Precision is important at this step. Make sure you're blending the colors together too. Do the same thing at the inner corner. With the shade Invention, this is a beautiful popping shimmer shade. Let's use our fingers and tap that just at the center of the lid. Just look at how beautiful that color is. Now let's blend the pink into the shimmer. That's how your eye should look. Now with the smudging brush, let's go in with the shade Aspiration and apply that close to the lower lash line. We don't want a very strong line here. And with the shade Nurture and any blending brush, blend that all out together. Try not to make it too heavy. With the Creamy Kohl liner from Huda Beauty, let's tight line the upper lash line. Be careful at this step. Apply the same liner on the lower lash line too. Curl your lashes. This will give you added length. Apply your favorite mascara. Try to use a voluminous lengthening one. Apply 2 to 3 coats, I would say. And this is your Diwali glam. I hope this video really helped you. If you need more tutorials, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Wishing you a happy Diwali, guys. Bye.